Hi, so it's me again. So this is, or for the first time rather. So this is going to be my first interim reflection for coding. I know I'm very behind actually on my reflections, so I'll try and catch up as much as I can with that. So basically how this works is there is a website called Udemy, Udemy, which essentially teaches you a various amount of things, right? And basically, what I'm learning to do is coding in Python, and Python is a coding language. So I'm really starting out with the simplest of with the simplest of things first. I'm starting out with like how to, strings, numbers, variable assignments, uh, you know, the things you can do in strings like slicing and indexing. So a string is like basically how it works is you put str and then you put a bracket and then whatever is in those brackets is a string, right? With how indexing and splicing works is each of whatever's in the string is given a number, right? So the numbers start from 0 to however many uh, characters there are. So if I had the word, for example, pen, right? No, that's too short. Bottle, like water bottle. So if I chose bottle, the 0 would be B, 1 would be O, 2 would be T, 3 would be T, 4 would be L, and then 5 would be, E. So essentially that's, and then what indexing allows you to do is select that, like a specific a character or letter, and then sort of use that to recreate a new word, right? So if I would say take like character 0 and character 3, and then combine that, for example, right? What slicing allows you to do is it allows you to take multiple sections of that string. So indexing only allows you to take a one element. So for example, I can only take a B, or I can only take an O, or I can only take a T in bottle, for example. But what slicing allows you to do is it allows you to take, for example, B to T, to the first T, for example, or the entire word, so just the string, or from L to E at the end. And then we kind of looked into variable assignment. So for example, just like giving, it's really the simplest of things. So right now it's sort of like just assigning values to, for example, A. So A equals 5, A equal, A times A is 25, A plus A is 10, A equals A plus A, so 10, A is 10. And just the normal things, in terms of you can multiply, you can divide, you can subtract, you can add, all, so those different types of things. And so far that's all I've done. So the culmination of me finishing the course, which probably will take a while, will probably be in the form of a game that I'll code. So far I don't know if the material I'm learning is enough to allow me to teach the game, but that's when sort of looking online and tutorials and things like that, that's when when you see the real dedication come in. So yeah, I'm really interested in it. It's super interesting how you can, because I keep watching coding videos online, and it's extremely interesting how our entire infrastructure is digital infrastructure is based on all these things. And I'm like, I really want to learn this because I want to know how our computers work, how databases, how digital works, if that makes sense. So yeah, this has been me, my first interim reflection. I will see you in the next one. Bye.